Hey everyone, this is Gadgets 360 and welcome to the first edition of What to Watch on Amazon Prime Video. Starting with August, we got you covered with some of the biggest titles on Amazon Prime Video, some long-running series and some exciting movies and shows. So, let's get started with this one. Following the Swiss, when two coaching institutes compete for power, aspiring students and their expectations suffer. In this series, a group of young students preparing for competitive exams experience friendship, love, heartbreaks, and peer pressure while attempting to meet their parents' expectations. Anu Kapoor plays the head of a coaching institute. Crash Course arrived 5th August on Prime Video. A 13-year-old suspects that his mysterious neighbor, played by Sylvester Stallone, is a superhero hiding in plain sight. Most people believe Granite City's superpower vigilante Samaritan was killed in a fire, but Sam believes he is still alive. Sam makes it his mission to learn more about his next-door neighbor in order to help save the city from rising crime. Samaritan is out August 26 on Prime Video. Apollo 13 director Ron Howard is behind 13 Lives, which follows the rescue mission of a junior football team that became trapped in Thailand's underground caves after it was flooded. While the 12 boys and their coach were trapped in the caves, a team of the world's most skilled and experienced divers, Thai forces, and over 1,000 volunteers banded together to rescue them from the narrow cave tunnels. 13 Lives released 5th August on Prime Video. In the 22nd century, two androids flee Earth, which has been devastated by a war between militant atheists and the Mithraic religious order. They bring with them 12 human embryos in order to establish a new, peaceful civilization based on atheistic values. Both Season 1 and 2 of Raised by Wolves is out to watch on Prime Video since 18th August. DC's Doom Patrol centers on a group of outcast and wounded superheroes who acquired extraordinary abilities following a variety of terrible accidents. They come together thanks to Timothy Dalton's The Chief, who gives them a mission and leads them to look into some of the most bizarre incidents. You can stream all 3 seasons of Doom Patrol on Prime Video right now. Apart from those featured picks, All or Nothing Arsenal returned on 4th August. To follow the Arsenal team through the 2021 to 2022 season, it's narrated by Arsenal fan and Oscar winner Daniel Kaluuya. The League of Their Own remake centers on the formation of a women's professional baseball team during World War II. It is available to stream on Amazon Prime Video beginning August 12th. The animated Star Trek series, Star Trek Lower Decks, returns with Season 3 on 26 August. The new season will spruce up the adventures of the Lower Deckers on one of Starfleet's least important ships and begins with Captain Freeman's arrest for allegedly conspiring with the Klingons. We'll be back soon with another list next month. Till then, stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech and pop culture.